Does Justin Baldoni's lawyer now own TMZ? Can we talk about this headline for a moment? Justin Baldoni to Blake Lively, you can't shut my lawyer up. Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively were in court today. Both lawyers have stated they felt that this was a win for both of their sides, but TMZ led with that headline and then stated this: Blake's been trying to get Justin's attorney, Brian Friedman, to stop blabbing about the case in the media, but the judge denied her request, even with Lively's lawyers putting on a full court press. This is actually false, and no other media outlet is reporting this other than TMZ. This is what actually happened. People magazine reported this. Judge warns Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni's lawyers to rein in PR war outside courtroom and avoid influencing jury. And this one from US Weekly. Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni's lawyers have first hearing. Judge warns trial could be moved up. Blake Lively versus Justin Baldoni. Judge threatens moving up March 2026 trial if lawyers can't stop matter being litigated in the press. TMZ writing, but the judge denied her request is actually false. Blake's team didn't actually put in a formal request. What they did is they wrote the judge a letter asking him to look into the case because they wanted this to stop. They have threatened that they're going to put a request in. They said they may end up doing it by March, but as of yet, they have not put a request in. Fox News chose this headline: Blake Lively, Justin Baldoni muzzled by judge in heated sexual harassment battle. The BBC titled it, Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni lawyers spar during first court hearing. And CNN wrote, judge tells attorneys for Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni not to fight case through the media. So despite TMZ reporting that, what actually happened is the judge told both parties to stop fighting this in the media and tainting the possible jury selection. It is interesting to note that TMZ did add an update a little while later saying the judge required both sides to abide by New York rules of professional conduct, which prevents lawyers from making statements with a substantial likelihood they could taint a jury. Still, the rules afford attorneys the opportunity to speak with the media to protect their clients from negative publicity. Adding that Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, says he's cool with those rules, and for now, so are Blake's attorneys. Blake's attorneys actually posted this statement saying, the court granted our request that all attorneys in the matter actually follow the rule of law and not make any statements that could prejudice a jury. This case deals with serious allegations of sexual harassment and retaliation. We will hold the defendants accountable, and we are confident that once all the evidence is submitted in this matter, Miss Lively will prevail. Justin Baldoni's lawyer, Brian Friedman, has been using TMZ to release all of his information since all of this began. In fact, the New York Times weren't the first ones to release Blake Lively's complaint. It was actually TMZ. Brian Friedman contacted them before the New York Times could release their article and gave TMZ all of the information, including his side of the story. Every news article that day ended up quoting the TMZ with Blake Lively's complaint and not the New York Times. It's definitely starting to look like Justin Baldoni's lawyer, Brian Friedman, has someone on the inside at TMZ who's putting out these articles.